What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products in return for a small commission for each sale. You've probably seen headings marked affiliate link or sponsored post on many of the websites you visit. Or maybe you've already taken the first step and signed up to an affiliate network. If you are new to affiliate marketing, let's cover how it works. First, find an affiliate program or network you are interested in. Look at the program overview, including the type of products or services, payment methods, and commissions they offer. If it appeals to you, sign up and wait for confirmation of your acceptance. Then, start creating content, adding the custom links the program provides. Those links track when one of your users makes a purchase, and you'll earn a small commission. You can work with individual companies or affiliate networks, where you register and choose the programs that interest you. The programs are generally divided into categories to make selection easier. Once approved, start promoting your affiliate links on your website, in newsletters, on social media, and anywhere else you're permitted to share links. The network sends you a payment when you've reached the minimum payment level. Payment methods vary and usually include PayPal, bank transfers, and checks. Let's take a more in-depth look at the parts of a successful affiliate marketing system. The merchant is usually known as the creator, the seller, the brand, the retailer, or the vendor. This is the party that creates the product. It can be a big company, like Dyson, which produces vacuum cleaners. Or, it can be a single individual like Mariah Carey, who sells online courses to female entrepreneurs. From solo entrepreneurs to startups to massive Fortune 500 companies. Anyone could be the merchant behind an affiliate marketing program. They don't even have to be actively involved. They just have to have a product to sell. Affiliates can also range from single individuals to entire companies. An affiliate marketing business can produce a few $100s in commissions each month or tens of millions of dollars. It's where the marketing happens. An affiliate promotes one or multiple affiliate products and tries to attract and convince potential customers of the value of the merchant's product so that they end up buying it. Thanks for watching.